Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Vauxhall ADAM Energised, coming powered by a 1.2i litre ecoFLEX engine and coming in an eye-catching red paint. The beautiful red colour is enhanced by the black exterior features coming as part of the ADAM Energised specification, including the black jack roof colour pack, gloss black grille, dark tinted windows adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 17-inch gloss black Hurricane alloys finishing off the exterior perfectly. This car benefits from LED daytime running lights as well as LED tail lights, ensuring great vision of the road. And to the rear of the car we have the boot space with the 50/50 fold down seats giving you extra room when needed. Moving on to the interior, in the back we have two full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and ISOFIX points, as well as a ski latch on the front seats, making it easier for passengers to get in and out of the back of the car. We have the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, adding to the convenience of every drive. The front seats are manually adjustable, and throughout the cabin we have the black part leather and patterned cloth upholstery with the light contrast stitching. This pairs beautifully with the red gloss door and dash inserts matching the exterior and the funky patterned dash, adding to a sleek and stylish look. On the dash we have the black leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, helping you safely and easily control the infotainment device as well as the cruise control with speed limiter, which is perfect for motorway driving. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the R4.0 interlink touchscreen housing the likes of Bluetooth mobile phone portal with USB and aux connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist. We also have DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations and other car settings. To the side we have the city mode button, providing lighter steering at parking speeds. And below we have the air conditioning, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable even in the hotter months. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.